So now let's have the part 2 for the equation of circle passing through 3 given points. Let's have this example. Determine the standard form and general equation, center, and radius of the circle passing through 3 given points, negative 3, 7, negative 6, 4, and negative 3, 1. So let's have our solution. So let point 1 is equal to negative 3, 7, point 2 is equal to negative 6, 4, and point 3 is equal to negative 3, 1. First equate the given two radii. So we have CP1 is equal to CP2. So we're gonna use the distance formula. So let negative 3 be our x sub 1 and 7 be our y sub 1. Now let us substitute. So we will have negative 3 minus h square plus 7 minus k square. Let us now have our point 2. Let negative 6 be your x sub 2 and 4 be your y sub 2. Negative 6 minus h square plus 4 minus k square. Divide both sides by square root, so we will have negative 3 minus h square plus 7 minus k square is equal to negative 6 minus h square plus 4 minus k square. So next, let us expand each equation. Expand muna natin yung negative 3 minus h, and we will have 9 plus 6h plus h square. 7 minus k square naman plus 49 plus 14k plus k square is equal to, so expand naman natin itong negative 6 minus h, we will have 36 plus 12h plus h square plus 16 plus 8k plus k square. So next, let us combine like terms. So when we transpose the h square here, magiging negative siya, so makakancel na siya kasi magi-equal siya sa 0. So next, let us combine like terms. So we will have 6h minus 12h, we're gonna have negative 6h. Then negative 14k plus 8k, negative 6k. Is equal to negative 6. So we can divide it by negative 6. So we're gonna have h plus k is equal to 1. So ito na yung ating magiging equation 1. So now let's have the CP1 is equal to CP3. So we will have square root of negative 3 minus h square plus 7 minus k square. So let negative 3 be our x sub 3 and let 1 be our y sub 3. So we will have square root of negative 3 minus h square plus 1 minus k square. So we can divide both sides by square root. So we're gonna have negative 3 minus h square plus 7 minus k square is equal to negative 3 minus h square plus 1 minus k square. Negative 3 minus h square, and we will have 9 plus 6h plus h square. So let's have now the 7 minus k square. So we will have 49 minus 14k plus k square is equal to, so next let's have negative 3 minus h square, 9 plus 6h plus h square. So next, let's have 1 minus k square. So we will have plus 1 minus 2k plus k square. So now let us combine like terms. So when we transpose this h square and k square, equal na siya sa 0, so we can cancel h square. Then same with k square, so we can cancel this one. 6h, then let us transpose this 6h. We're gonna have negative 6h. So bring down negative 14k. And transpose negative 2k. So we're gonna have positive 2k is equal to, so let us add 9 plus 49, 58. Then transpose, we're gonna have negative 58. So 9 plus 1, 10. So now let us combine like terms. So 6h minus 6h, 0 na. So negative 14k plus 2k, we will have negative 12k is equal to negative 58 plus 10 is negative 48. So we can divide both sides by negative 12. So we will have k is equal to 4. Our equation 2. Okay, so next, we have to look for the center o yung ating HK. We can substitute now yung value ng ating K4 coming from the equation 2 doon sa ating equation 1. So we will have H plus 4 is equal to 1. So we have to combine like terms. So we're gonna have H is equal to negative 3. So yung ating magiging HK, negative 3 and 4. So next naman natin, we have to look for the radius. Use the radius formula, which is R is equal to square root of x minus h square plus y minus k square. So, pwede kayong gumamit dito, alin man dito sa given na points ng circle. So, gamitin na lang natin si point 3. So, gagamitin din natin yung hk na nasolve natin kanina. So, we have negative 3, 4. Now, let us substitute. So, we will have r is equal to negative 3 minus negative 3 square plus yung ating y, 1 minus 4 square. So, let us simplify. So, r is equal to square root of negative 3. So, negative multiplied by negative, positive 3 square plus 1 minus 4 square. So, we have r is equal to negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So, we have 0 square plus, so next, 1 minus 4, we will have negative 3 square. So, we have r is equal to 0 plus negative 3 square, we have 9. So, r is equal to square root of 9 or r is equal to 3. Ating radius ay equal siya sa 3. So, dahil meron tayong HK and radius, pwede na natin ngayon makuha yung ating standard form. So, since yung ating HK is negative 3, 4 at yung ating radius 3, we will have x plus 3 square plus y minus 4 square is equal to 9. So, ito yung ating standard form. Kuhain naman natin yung ating general equation. Expand lang natin itong ating standard form. So, we will have x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared minus 8y plus 16 minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we may arrange our equation. So we're gonna have x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8 and then combine like terms. So we have 9 minus 9, 0 plus 16. So we have 16 is equal to 0. So ngayon, eto na yung ating general equation. Let us graph. So when we graph this one, so for the center, we have negative 3, 4. And then yung 3 points ng circle natin, we have negative 3, 7. So negative 3, 7. Ito siya. Negative 3, 7. So next, yung point 2 naman natin. So point 1. Point natin negative 6, 4. Negative 6, 4. Ayan. So, point 2, negative 6, 4. So, next natin, yung point 3 natin, negative 3, 1. Negative 3. So, ito yung point 3 natin, negative 3, 1.